Is Trump trying to crash the market? And what am I doing in this uncertain time? All right. So I just want to make out some really important points that a lot of people don't seem to be pointing out. Number one, think about this. Trump is massively wealthy. He has lots of money in the stock market. He has lots of money in other pieces of assets, such as real estate. All right. So do you think he wants the market to crash? Probably not. How about his cabinet? He has a lot of people in his cabinet who are extremely wealthy. Same with the people in Congress and many of his advisors. So these people are not wanting the markets to crash. They do not want to lose their wealth. They like their money, obviously. So when people are all distraught about the tariffs, good or bad, whether they're good or bad, I don't know. I want to think deeper about this. Like, he is not trying to intentionally crash the market. It can't be. Like, why would you want to lose wealth unless you want to gain more wealth by, buying up assets when they're cheaper? And that's something I'm doing actually right now, by the way. So one thing I think we need to think is this: is that just because the markets are crashing in the last few days doesn't mean that they'll be crashing forever. So I'm not worried about it. I'm continuing to buy. I bought some yesterday. I bought some today. I bought some last week. Almost every day now since it's been going down. And I'll probably buy a little more today as well. And I'll probably just continually buy a little more and a little more and a little more and a little more every single day as it goes up. So is it going to go down farther? Maybe. It will go up, maybe. But either way, I'm going to be buying a little bit every day. Now, I also want to point out something that's just super essential, especially from a Christian worldview, especially someone who has a different view of money than maybe people who are lustful about money. As a Christian, I know there's more important things than money. There are more important things than money in my life, such as family and friends and relationships and helping other people. So if you have this mindset, all suddenly the money, the massive wealth, your massive wealth has disappeared. Well, really, are you going to be distraught that much about your wealth that you are willing to get so worked up over it? If you are worked up over your money that's being lost, don't sell. Number one, just hold on. I mean, that's not advice for you. That's just what I'm doing. I'm just holding on. I'm buying more. If you're so worked up that you're just selling, you're first off going to be losing assets because you'll be buying at a high time and selling at a low time, which I'm not doing. You can do whatever you want to do, but I'm not worried about it because I know that there are more important things in this world than money, even if I did lose it all. There's ways, once you've gone through it, you learn the process of building your wealth. Okay, so with that said, what can you do for the future? Number one is I'm trying to diversify. How can I create systems where I can create systems where it makes me less vulnerable to the ups and downs of the market, whether real estate or whether the stock market? I am trying to be the least amount vulnerable as possible by buying many different asset classes. S&P 500. I have another mutual fund that I keep buying into that is very diversified as well. So I'm constantly buying into these different types of funds for the assets and the stock market. Now, one thing that I'm also still buying is real estate as well. Now, does that mean that real estate is going to continue going up? No, it'll probably go down eventually as well. But in the meantime, I'm slowly buying real estate, and over the long haul, I would do well. So my points are this. Number one, no matter what you think of the tariff, good or bad, I don't know either. I'm staying out of the that it's good or it's evil. I'm just saying is that those who are in power have more to lose than you or I. All right. The second thing is there's more to life than just money. There's family, friends, and relationships. So think about areas that you can build those relationships and start a business. Maybe those are some things that we need to be thinking about. Is how do you serve other people and become a little more insulated to the fluctuations of the market? And third, what I am doing, and this is not advice for you, I'm still buying into the market. I'm buying. It's all going on sale. I mean, why wouldn't I? It's much cheaper today than it was 2 weeks ago, a week ago. Might as well buy it at a good deal. So If that helps you, tell me down below. Tell me what you're doing. Are you buying or are you selling? What are you investing in right now? What type of assets are you investing in? Are you trying to get into real estate? If you are, follow this channel. I own a number of properties and have been investing in real estate for numerous years now. My wife and I have been owning and managing many different units over the last few years. So jump in the conversation. Tell me what you think. Also, don't forget to check out the free resources down below in the description.